Nutmeg's fascinating. I used to take it when I was in high school. I used to take it at night, and I would stay up late and study. It would sort of wire me, and then I would sleep. But when I would wake up in the morning, I would be absolutely smashed. And I didn't even know what it really was. It was almost before I smoked cannabis. So I was dealing with these walks to school in the morning where all the colors were bright, a song on my lips, a skip in my step. I could hardly... And you can also reduce morning glory seeds to flour in one of those brawn grinders. So that's a very good kit. Yeah.
The nutmeg, how did you get the nutmeg? Did you get it as a powder already?
No, I ground it in a mortar and pestle fairly crudely at that phase. But what you do is you just cap it up. Flour it and cap it up. You know, it contains myristicin, which is psychoactive and which is a precursor for MDMA and is quite a nice thing. I mean, it's not going to shake the foundations of the planet, but it's very good. What?
How many caps?
A couple. Not a lot. Oh, that's what I should say. Do not... you know, people sometimes with plants, they get the attitude that you need to do a lot because it's spread thin. In most cases, that's true, but in the case of nutmeg, it isn't true. It's a cap, a 00 capsule.
This doesn't count for the spice that you can buy from the shilling spice rack of nutmeg?
No, it does. Same.
And 2 caps.
Yeah, well, the reason I preferred grinding the whole nutmeg was because it's obviously fresher if it's ground. And you can buy whole nutmeg at Safeway. Prisoners know this. If you'd done more hard time, you wouldn't be asking these questions.